Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be reviewing and checking out the Mecca Beauty Loop Level 3 box, which I just picked up yesterday and haven't even looked into yet. So let's test, try, love, whatever says on the package. I feel like it's been a while since I picked up a beauty loop and I don't even know if I've missed any out, but we are in the month of October and I think this is the last Mecca Beauty Loop for the year. I think the next one comes out in next year, I suppose, 2026. Anyway, let's go ahead and open up Level 3 Beauty Loop. We're celebrating the 21st century girl. Oh, there's a little insert here. SPF has come a long way. Formulas now feel more like skincare than sunscreen, and even with our makeup, we're better. That's why we've included the latest innovation from Naked Sundays, the Cabana Clear SPF 50 Serum. Okay, SPF 50 is a broad spectrum high protection sunscreen. Sunscreen is the only one form of sun protection. Avoid prolonged sun exposure. Reapply as directed. Always read the label and follow the directions for use. So I returned my Naked Sundays. Was it Naked Sundays? Yeah, my Naked Sundays SPF 50 collagen moisturizer because it came under the category of not being able to provide the necessary protection. So I returned it and I actually got my full refund, well, full money back on that, and they were quite lovely about it as well. So yeah, I suppose they're still doing that. If you purchase the Naked Sundays SPF collagen range, then you're entitled for a full refund because that actually wasn't providing the full broad spectrum. Anyway, let's have a look. We have, okay, the first thing is the Naked Sundays Cabana Water Gel Serum in SPF 50. It's very shiny, chrome finish. And you get a decent amount in here, like you get 15 mils, which is quite a lot for, you know, sample size. I'm not going to, well, it's got the little silvery, you know, enclosure there. I'm not going to peel it, but we will definitely give that a whirl. So I'm excited to try this, and hopefully this does meet the recommended SPF that it's supposed to. And because being a new product, I'm pretty sure that they would have double checked. All right, what's this thing here? Wirral. Now I don't know, but do all the Level 3 beauty loops have the same things in them? Or let me know. Let me know if your stuff is different or the same as mine. But this is a perfume and it's Viral's, I have to take my glasses off. Intention is to spark joy and boost soul health through the senses. All our fragrances tap into the healing power of precious plants, each selected for their unique therapeutic benefits and ability to amplify positive energy. In your hands you have a small but powerful potion. So this is the sample size of the perfume. Milky peach and flirtatious floral notes of osmanthus, jasmine and magnolia underscore this deliciously playful scent for seduction and self-confidence. Intimate amberries and soothing sandalwood are sublimated by stimulating tonka bean and sweet exhilarating ambrette. Ambrox and musk provide a sensuality boosting seal with a cheeky hint of latex. Unleash your inner wink. The affirmation, I wink from within. Now, latex? News to me. Let's spray some on. Gosh, what does it remind me of? Definitely something I've smelt before. Surprising. It is sweet. It is definitely floral. Not necessarily fruity in my opinion. It is very florally though. I can smell not sandalwood, but it's more of the top notes that they suggested, I suppose, you know, the jasmine and the magnolia. So, you know, lately I haven't really been wearing perfume much. I've just been a little bit sensitive with smells lately, going through a postmenopausal crazy period in my life right now. But yeah, so, you know, I probably wouldn't be wearing this anytime soon again, but, you know, it's nice. It's not a terrible smell. It's not a terrible smell at all. It's just nothing that I would wear right now. Okay, so that's Virial or Virial, how we want to pronounce it. Lancome Genifique, the ultimate serum. This is a 7 ml product, and I suppose you would layer this under your moisturizer. I never really use like Lancome products when it comes to serums and the Genifique range and all that sort of stuff, but you know, if I was going to use it, I don't know, probably use it on my elbows or my, I don't know, knees. Okay, what do we got here? Kate Somerville Delicate Soothing Cleanser. Oh, well, that's nice. I've always wanted to try this cleanser. Oh, I'm so sorry for the, you know, the vibrancy, but I might just have to hold it out here because it's just, yeah, the color. Let me just see if I can actually make that a bit better. Is that better? I'm not sure. Anyway, it's purple, it's lavenderish, it's lilac-y in color. But this is a cleanser that I've been wanting to try. How to use: AM and PM, apply a small amount to wet skin and a massage for 30 seconds. Rinse and thoroughly, gently pat dry. Avoid contact directly with the eyes. Alright, so be careful. Don't put this one anywhere near your eyes when you're washing, because it will sting your eyes out, I suppose. So looking forward to trying this, although I'm still loving my Tatcha rice cleanser. Nearly finished it up. It's been over a year since I've had the big tube, and yet it's nearly finished, so I'm definitely going to repurchase that again because I do love that Tatcha rice cleanser so much. It is excellent. Absolutely love it. Okay. And last but not least, we have the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. Let's see, it's like a little blue tube. And Pure Canvas Hydrating Primer helps to improve and extend that wear of makeup while providing hydration and reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles and dry patches. Powered by over 90 or 85% skincare ingredients, this formula helps to improve the look of bare skin. The technique: apply after skincare, gently massage a dime-sized amount onto skin with fingertips, follow with tinted moisturizer or foundation. So I will be keen to give this one a go. I've never tried any of the, I think she's got like 4 different types of primers when it comes to priming, but this one's the Pure Canvas Primer, and I don't know, it's the hydrating one. So yeah, we'll give that a little try. So I'm looking forward to it, but that's all there is in the Beauty Loop. I'm not sad about it, I'm not mad about it, I'm not thrilled about it. I suppose the thing that I'll mostly likely reach out for is the cleanser, whoops, and the Cabana water gel serum. So yeah, Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you got in your beauty loop. Did you get the same as me? Did you like it? Did you get other products which I would be jealous of knowing that you have and I don't have it? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys have all been well. I'll see you all again in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.